Okay, so you're probably wondering what the heck am I doing with this John Deere skid loader and showing you the stuff never breaks on this channel. Well, because, it's just not that time for stuff to break. We are in off season right now. Stuff's planted and we're just waiting for harvest season, which stuff's guaranteed to break then, so we'll probably show it then, but that's beside the point. For today, we just got done washing a skid loader. For those of you, that follow me on Facebook and Northeast Tough Farmer and that, I posted pictures of bath time with this machine. Getting all cleaned up and stuff. I'm gonna go over greasing it, and is it overkill? No, greasing's not overkill. Now, if you're the kind of person that, greases your tractor, greases your dump truck or something, not dump truck, greases your excavator, greases a wheel loader like every 3 hours or something dumb like that, you're kind of like, what the heck you greasing it that often for? So, like this skid loader here on the farm, it gets used every right now it gets used about, I'm gonna say once a month to put hay out because we don't have that many cows, but we use it. And where I'm going with this is, you kind of tend to forget how many machine hours a machine has, because in the book it says to grease a machine every 8 hours. Was it like 7 or 8 hours or something? You're supposed to grease these skid loaders. Well, and you're only running it here or there for about 10, 15, 20 minutes or so. You kind of start to lose track of greasing and the maintenance and all that, and then you're kind of like, well, what the heck, when the heck did I grease the darn thing? Well, we'll bring you over here to this tip cylinder, okay? You see the tip cylinder? I'm just going to be honest, I've neglected greasing that thing, and when it starts screaming and howling and singing a tune that you don't want it to sing, why, you better be shooting some grease in that pin, the bottom end of that and the top end of this here. You better be shooting some grease in it. If you don't, it'll start getting all sloppy in here, the pins and that. And I mean, that's not too bad. Oh, yeah, it is. No, it'll come out real easy. Okay. So, but if you don't grease them, it'll start getting real sloppy and everything. So you're supposed to, I don't know the correct method for greasing these. We had the bucket flipped all the way down or up like this, but my philosophy is to just, like, if you dig in manure or something for, say, a week straight or something, 8 hours, hit the bucket hard with grease, don't worry about the rest of it, the lifting and all that. The bucket's the main important on any piece of equipment. Well, it's utilizing the tip mounting plate, but that changes with attachments. Like, say for instance, if you had pallet forks on this, you'd just be going up and down. You'd very seldomly need to curl back and forth. So then you wouldn't need to grease that as often. But let's get greasing. Still haven't figured it out that when I try to grease something, I always make a big old honking mess. Have it squirting out everywhere and stuff. That's why I started wearing gloves and all that, to kind of knock down on the mess and that. Well, it'd help if, let's see if it's, is our battery? Yeah, our battery's charged. You got a green light there. Okay, so I just got this fresh battery here, this fresh lithium-ion battery from my battery charger here. So we're going to hit this bucket with grease, this mount plate here. And get it in. And let me go get a rag real quick. You know what? I just washed the machine, so I don't need a rag. We'll just go that route. Run the trigger. You can see there's grease. And then we'll just come on. You're straight up and down, little boy. I hope I took grease. Sounded like it did. Oh yeah, she made a big old boogery mess on the other side. So usually that's about how many pumps I put in it. And then when I do these, and then when I hit these hubs with grease, do them for about the same amount of time, about 5 seconds or so, worth of grease. Nothing too overkill. Then for these up here, I'm going to hit them a little less because I feel that they don't need as much grease. I don't know, somebody call me a liar or something. That one was taking it awful hard, so I don't understand why, but maybe the fitting went bad. I mean, you can see it was spewing the grease all the way out around the seal there and everything. Don't like that necessarily because that's just lack of wasting grease. But let me try it again. Maybe see that's on high, one on low. I think the fitting's going bad. Don't understand why, but I will show you grease fittings that I do not grease. There are grease fittings back in here, and this here, I'm sure you can see them right down there, right down here. That they're a real to get to. You almost got to be a math magician to get to them, but that's beside the point. We're gonna grease this on this side of the machine and get the rest of them, the bucket too. So we'll be back on. Okay, so it's we got it all greased. You can see grease there. Grease there. You come over here. Grease there, right there. Okay. Grease there. So this thing's getting grease. I I was able to grease that little fella. Let me see if I can get a light on it. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Crap, we wasted the grease big time. That's one thing that's hard about these them fittings that are way back there. Under hard to get to places like that. But wheels, hubs have all grease in them. This side, as you watched me do, has grease in it. Okay, right there's grease. And over here, this has grease. Right there, you can see it coming out. Down here, grease. Okay, so I mean, this machine is getting grease. I'm sure I'm sure there's somebody out there that's going to be like, "Oh my God, you know, you're wasting grease." Well, no, I'm not wasting grease. I'm stopping when I'm seeing it. And for those of you that say, "Oh my God, you know, you're really over greasing. You should, you know, not even be able to see it come out." Well, you're full of crap, because I know how to properly. Well, I shouldn't even say anything, because I don't know nothing. I'm not God, and I don't claim to be. I am imperfect and will be such. So, if you guys enjoy this video, share with your friends and family. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out Northeast Ohio Farmer on Facebook. Thanks for watching.